below we're going to present the types of sentences. I'm going to present compound sentence, Iván Armenta is going to present complex sentences, and Isaías Mapines is going to present simple and compound complex sentences.
What is a simple sentence? A simple sentence is a sentence that consists of just one independent clause. A simple sentence has no dependent clauses. An independent clause, unlike a dependent clause, can stand alone as a sentence. Examples of simple sentences. I cannot drink warm milk. A day without sunshine is like night. Reality continues to ruin my life. A simple sentence is not always a short, basic sentence like the four examples shown above. A simple sentence could have a compound subject, two or more simple subjects. For example, Jack likes walking. This is a simple sentence with one simple subject. Now, Jack and Jill like walking. This is a simple sentence with a compound subject made up of two simple subjects, Jack and Jill. A simple sentence could also have a compound predicate, when two or more verbs share the same subject. For example, Jack likes walking and finishing but hates running and hunting. This is still a simple sentence with a compound predicate. The subject Jack is still the subject of two verbs, likes and hates, but you can see how a simple sentence could start to get quite busy.
Compound sentences. Compound sentences combine two or more independent clauses. The key here is independent clauses, which are clauses that can stand alone as separate sentences. Compound sentences give your writing a faster pace and unite related ideas together. They're best for combining two or more self-sufficient and related sentences into a single, unified one. Essentially, a compound sentence brings together individual related sentences as one. Compound sentences are easy to identify because they usually use a coordinating conjunction, which you may remember as fanboys: for, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. However, compound sentences can also use a semicolon to connect two clauses, in which case no conjunction is necessary. For example, I have a pet iguana. His name is Fluffy. You can combine it with a coordinating conjunction. I have a pet iguana, and his name is Fluffy. Or by using a semicolon, just like, I have a pet iguana, semicolon, his name is Fluffy.
A complex sentence is a sentence with one independent clause and at least one dependent clause. It works best when you need to provide more information to explain or modify your sentence midpoint. Complex sentences are easy to spot as they often use subordinating conjunctions like because, since, or until to connect clauses. A complex sentence is formed by adding the following elements: an independent clause, one or more dependent clauses, and note, the dependent clauses require subordinating conjunctions. Dependent clauses, or also known as subordinating clauses, are clauses that cannot stand alone as a complete sentence without an independent clause. A dependent clause is just a sentence fragment. For example, when I grew up, I'll use a complete sentence. Or, while I play football, the ball thrown by my friend hit the boy crossing the street. One of the most common types of complex sentences are conditional sentences, which discuss imaginary situations, often using an if-then structure.
The compound complex sentence. In English grammar, a compound complex sentence is a type of sentence that contains at least three clauses, two independent clauses and one or more dependent clauses. Which equates to three sets of subjects and verbs. This type of sentence is a combination of a compound sentence with a complex sentence. An example is, there was heavy traffic in the neighborhood, so I used the GPS to find a quicker route and was able to get there on time. Example number 2. The cat ran away, but nobody was worried because he was trained to find his home. Number 3. Since she was a vegetarian, she refused to eat the turkey, but she was more than happy to eat the potatoes. How to write a compound complex sentence. Structuring your compound complex sentence properly is imperative to avoid run-on sentences and sentences fragment. Successfully arranging a compound complex can help you clearly express nuanced thoughts or complicated ideas. Choose your main clauses. Choose your dependent clause, join the clauses with a conjunction, and add your punctuation.